Well, good morning. We are tracking some showers, even some rumbling thunderstorms here this morning across parts of central Texas. None of this is severe, but if you are on I-45 this morning, that's where you have the higher chance of seeing some. We do have this little thunderstorm that rolled out in Navarra counties getting out of our area, but a couple of downpours popping up north of Mejia, off to the east and west, and also some activity down towards Groesbeck and Teague to the south of Fairfield. Also some showers that have tried to build over Bosque County. These are moving east into McLennan County, so don't be surprised if you see some sprinkles or maybe a light shower in McLennan County here soon. There is a flood watch that has been posted through Saturday afternoon because this is the first of what will be many rain showers that build over our area, including the threat for thunderstorms. Best chances come overnight, but we may even have some activity develop tomorrow as well. Part of the reason is look at all this warm air. 70s out there right now. It is muggy as you're heading out the door, and it will remain humid here today. That will serve as fuel for these thunderstorms this evening, and some of these storms could turn strong to severe as they roll through, especially west of I-35, and that's because storms will start up there earlier in the evening as opposed to our eastern counties, so there will be more energy to work with. That's where you'll have the best chance of seeing a severe storm, but everyone across central Texas could end up seeing one as well, just depending on how the storm works through its progress. Hell up to the size of quarters, winds to 60. Those will be your main threats. An isolated tornado can't be ruled out, and the biggest threat by far will be flooding rainfall, as we do expect quite a heavy dose of rain here across central Texas, both today and even into tomorrow. Future Track shows you what happens through the day. A couple of showers will continue. I do expect some passing showers from south to north that Future Track's not picking up on as we continue to draw in that Gulf moisture. And then by the evening, this is when we have to watch for shower and thunderstorm activity. I think even through dinner time, we're pretty quiet, but then into the middle of the evening, that's when these storms will first start to show up on the scene. And what we'll have to monitor for is if thunderstorms can pop up ahead of this main line. If they get isolated like this, that's where they could spin and create that isolated tornado threat. So we'll have to monitor that at first with these storms that are coming in. And then as they continue to push through the area, I think the highest likelihood of thunderstorms along the I-35 corridor will be closer to that 11 o'clock time frame with this line of thunderstorms working through. It turns into mainly a wind threat after that as that continues to move east across our area, eventually clearing the entire area by the time we head towards daybreak. We may see a little bit of a quiet time in the first part of your morning, and then by the middle of the day, I do expect more thunderstorms to develop, and this will just add on to the rain totals, helping to create that flooding threat. Some of those could be strong as well, but the threat is lower for tomorrow, and it's mainly confined to the Brazos Valley, where an isolated severe storm may be possible, with the main threat being hail the size of quarters and winds, though an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out either. As far as how much rain we're going to see, well, I think a widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain is pretty likely with tonight's activity, and then if we add anything on it tomorrow, we could see a couple of localized areas picking up 3 to 4 inches of rain by the time it's all said and done. 60% chance of storms today, mainly in the evening. 90% chance of storms Saturday. We're in the 70s all day Saturday, warming up again before another cold front comes through, and that one should knock us into the 70s in time for Halloween. And in the Brazos Valley, more of the same. Rain chances remain high today and tomorrow, looking cooler next week.